So just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As always, before we begin, please do go down below and as you can see on screen and grab yourself some amazing deals from our partners. Tons of free money on offer, so sign up below and get involved with those. You can see here Dogecoin right now basically just looking like it's following Bitcoin pretty much to the T. You can see we've got ourselves a nice big daily fair value gap here. We've closed back above, which is a good sign because we have been stuck under these fair value gaps pretty much the whole way down, as you can see. Dogecoin here creating a huge daily fair value gap that we saw here after that huge liquidation cascade we saw. Tested it 1, 2, 3 times, could not get anywhere near breaking this. Came to the downside, came back up, never closed below this new daily fair value gap we created here, as you can see. 1, 2, 3 tests, trying to break above, but we couldn't. Reject, come down lower, and now we are in a situation where we came down so low here, tapped into a 0.38 Fibonacci level here, as you can see, which is what Chainlink has also done, interestingly enough, and closed above this daily fair value gap in this local area, clearly looking like it wants to bounce to the upside, at least in the short term, and come up and probably test into some of these higher up fair value gaps that we've created. You can see we've broken this first one on the pivot here, retested it on Tuesday, and Bitcoin is obviously to blame for all of this. You can see Bitcoin obviously leading the market down, but you can see if you look at the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, we never closed below this weekly fair value gap. We held it literally by about $200, and ever since then Bitcoin looks like it wanted to get a little bit of a retrace at the least, if not a full reversal, depending on how much we V-shape out of this area, as you can see. Bitcoin coming up here, obviously closing above by $200 of the bottom of this gap, bouncing up Monday and Tuesday, and then finally Wednesday here, closing above this daily fair value gap. And now I would be looking to target up towards the next gap up here, which would be up towards around that 100k area, which I've been saying for video after video is probably going to be the next target for me if we close above this area. And lo and behold, it is coming to fruition right now. Bitcoin looking like it's starting to gain some steam to the upside here. Obviously, it's Thanksgiving in the US, so it might be a bit slow over the next few days. But this to me looks like if Bitcoin can break above all these fair value gaps, we've obviously got this big hourly here as well. If we break above this area here, I think we'll start running through some of this liquidity up to that next daily fair value gap, which you can see I've marked. Right now, Bitcoin looking bullish to me and looking like it could easily continue up at least to this fair value gap and back towards that 100k area, as I've been predicting for months and months and months. Dogecoin here just following Bitcoin, as you can see, and if we'll have to wait and see whether or not we ever get a altcoin season. Right now we're just focusing on damage control. If Bitcoin can get us back up to the upside for a lot of cryptos, Dogecoin looking like a great long-term buy at 15 cents. I'm still targeting $1 for this over the next few years. Nothing's changed in my mindset. I've just been averaging in. Looking like some very juicy entries at the minute for the long term. And that's it. We're just going to have to wait and see. As always, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates. And get some free money in the description below. Cheers.